A spotless gym isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Discover the top reasons why professional cleaning is key for your fitness haven. 1. Hygiene first. With high footfall, gyms harbor bacteria. Professional cleaners help ensure a hygienic space, keeping members safe and equipment sanitized. 2. Happiness equals cleanliness. Cleanliness drives member satisfaction. It's not just about workouts, it's the fresh, welcoming space that keeps members returning. 3. Cost-effective clean. Outsourcing cleaning often costs less than in-house teams, due to the potential for lower associated overhead costs. 4. Convenient scheduling. Professional cleaning fits your schedule, minimizing disruption to your members' experience. 5. Longer equipment life. Regular cleaning can extend your equipment's life, helping your investment lasts longer and performs better. 6. Leave it to the experts. You manage the gym. Cleaners maintain its pristine condition. Expert cleaning services tailor their work to your gym's needs. 7. Eco-friendly and efficient. Professional cleaners offer eco-friendly options, maintaining cleanliness with care for the environment. A competitive edge. Excellence in cleanliness can be your gym's standout feature, a competitive edge that attracts and retains members. Ready for a cleaner and healthier gym? Click below for professional gym cleaning services that empower your fitness mission.